Jigsaw families. Currently, we are navigating our way through a very challenging time as we deal with the effects of the coronavirus pandemic. Here at Jigsaw Childcare, our greatest responsibility and priority during this time is to ensure the health and safety of your children and our wonderful educators, while providing a high quality and engaging curriculum. We are dedicated to providing opportunities for children to participate in our program, whether it be in physical attendance or through the use of technology.
To assist with providing opportunities for children to participate from home, we have created a Jigsaw Childcare YouTube channel. Our aim is to provide tutorials, stories, and interactive experiences for children and families to watch together. On this channel, you will see our amazing Jigsaw educators sing songs, read stories, conduct yoga sessions, demonstrate craft, science, and cooking experiences, which you can do from the comfort of your home.
We do hope that this channel will help our Jigsaw community stay connected and provide children with the opportunity to continue their learning while away from the centre. Please go to youtube.com and search Jigsaw Childcare Online Learning and press subscribe. We encourage families to email any suggestions or feedback to help with the planning of future videos.
We thank families for their continued support, and we look forward to seeing all our wonderful children return to Jigsaw soon.